Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can find your Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. So to do this we have to previously be connected with our earbuds and the Samsung Galaxy Buds application. Next, when you lose, for example, the left earbud, you have to simply open this application, then go to Find My Earbuds and click to start. Right now you will hear that our earbud is making this sound, and when you find it and put it back to your case, it will stop playing. So that's this beep sound that you will hear. And yeah, that's very simple, but it's probably useful when you lost your earbud in your home. For example, we can find it under your bed. So if you lose it outside, I think that's no chance to find it with these beeps. But in your home or in office, you will be able to do this. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.